Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Discovering this compact benchtop saw has truly transformed my workshop. Whether I'm working with stained glass, accented by zinc, crafting detailed carbon or aluminum arrow shafts, or diving into mini model making, this tool delivers unmatched precision. It's designed for small, intricate jobs and effortlessly cuts soft wood, plastic, aluminum, copper, and brass handling wood up to half-inch thick, or metal tubes of half-inch diameter with ease. The 7,800 RPM high-speed motor powerfully slices through AAC brass cases, light metals, and wooden dowels without the need for additional sanding. Plus, its portability and adjustable miter gauge make it perfect for on-the-go projects. The comprehensive package includes 3 blades, a 71-inch power cord, miter gauge holder, table clamp, motor brush replacements, and a hex key. Everything you need for precision work. Introducing the Metabo HPT 18-gauge brad nailer, the ultimate tool for precision trim work, furniture building, and finishing touches. Perfect for both professionals and DIYers, this nailer handles 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8" to 2" effortlessly. Its selective actuation switch lets you easily choose between bump fire and sequential fire modes for enhanced control and efficiency. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long projects, while the no-mar tip protects your surfaces from accidental damage. An intuitive drive depth dial and handy reload indicator help you achieve a flawless finish, and the 360-degree adjustable exhaust port keeps debris at bay. Backed by a 5-year warranty and a decade of pro-preferred ratings from Builder and Developer magazine, this Japanese-engineered powerhouse delivers professional-grade results every time. Step up your tool game with this high-performance hammer engineered for real-world challenges. Its robust rip claw is a standout feature, perfect for prying boards apart, yanking nails free, demolishing structures, and even tackling heavy-duty splitting tasks. The precisely milled face grips nails like a pro, ensuring every strike lands accurately and securely. Meanwhile, the extended handle boosts leverage, allowing you to channel extra force into each swing, a true asset for framing and carpentry projects. Plus, Estwing's patented shock reduction grip cuts impact vibrations by 70%, offering unparalleled comfort and a slip-free hold in any work environment. Proudly crafted in Rockford, IL since 1923 from a single piece of solid steel, this 14-inch, 24/0 hammer combines durability with an optimal design for exceptional performance on the job. A latest breakthrough in riveting technology, a hand riveter that redefines power, precision, and efficiency in setting pop blind rivets. Its patented structure boosts both power and leverage, ensuring every rivet is set securely and effortlessly. The design features a shorter handle equipped with double compound hinges that maximize your leverage, allowing for smooth operation even in the toughest applications. Despite its compact profile, this is the shortest long-arm riveter available, capable of handling stainless steel rivets up to 1/4 inch in diameter. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an avid DIY enthusiast, this versatile and powerful tool takes the grunt work out of installing large diameter blind rivets, transforming a labor-intensive task into a seamless, efficient process. Embrace the ease and reliability of next-generation riveting with this state-of-the-art tool. Metal cutting game with the EvoSaw 380 dry metal cutting chop saw, a game-changer in precision and efficiency. This innovative tool slices through metal with minimal heat and sparks, eliminating the need for coolant and leaving a finish that's ready for immediate use. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor paired with a high-torque gearbox, it eases motor load while enhancing steel cutting performance, ensuring smooth and reliable operation on every cut. Unlike traditional abrasive chop saws, the EvoSaw 380 provides a cleaner, faster, and more economical approach to cutting steel, boasting a remarkable blade life that averages 1,000 cuts in 2" by 2" mild steel. This cold-cut saw is designed to meet the demands of even the toughest on-site jobs with precision and ease. Step up your measurement game with this advanced laser distance meter that combines cutting-edge precision with user-friendly features. Effortlessly switch between feet, inches, and meters to suit your needs, while the dual bubble levels and auto-calibration ensure every reading is both stable and exact. A generously sized backlit screen guarantees clear visibility in low-light conditions, and the mute function lets you disable acoustic signals, ideal for quiet environments like libraries or classrooms. Other handy features include addition and subtraction functions, a low battery indicator, memory storage for 99 data groups with manual deletion, and an automatic shutdown after 150 seconds of inactivity to conserve power. Built with durability in mind, its IP54 rated waterproof and dustproof design provides robust protection. The compact, hard rubber body ensures a firm grip, and an included hand strap makes it easy to carry wherever your projects take you. Meet the 42M Rotary Hammer Drill, a true powerhouse built to tackle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Powered by a robust 1600-watt, 13-amp industrial motor, this tool delivers variable speeds from 0 to 630 RPM and up to 3,800 BPM, generating a staggering 7.38 feet-pounds of impact energy. Designed with versatility in mind, the drill features a rotating dial that lets you choose between 3 specific modes. A 360-degree adjustable accessory handle, combined with upgraded anti-vibration technology, minimizes fatigue and enhances user comfort during prolonged use. The SDS Max bit system enables tool-free bit changes with automatic locking, dust protection, and optimal energy transfer. Additional safety and control come from an overload clutch that protects your wrists when the bit snags, and a 6-speed transmission that lets you tailor the speed for each application. Often compared to demolition hammers for its raw destructive power, the 42M is ideal for renovation or demolition projects of any scale. Elevate your demolition work with our 110-volt jackhammer shovel, a powerful tool built for demanding projects. It comes with a complete set of chisels, clay spade, scraping, flat, and point, crafted from heat-treated alloy steel for maximum strength. Also included are protective gloves, a durable case, and hex wrenches. With a robust 2200-watt motor at 350 BPM and a heavy-duty metal build, this tool delivers outstanding durability and corrosion resistance. The adjustable 360-degree forehandle with slip-proof rubber ensures superior grip and reduced vibration, while the ergonomic D-shaped handle minimizes fatigue. A secure trigger lock, oil port for easy maintenance, and cooling holes for efficient heat dissipation complete its design. Ideal for demolition, trenching, chipping, and breaking through concrete, brick, tile, or stucco, it's perfect for foundation removal, slab work, and interior renovations. What are you waiting for? Quickly click on our link to upgrade your DIY tools to the best. With our high-performance 1/2-inch drive torque wrench set a perfect blend of precision and durability. Pre-calibrated to 3% with micro-adjustments as fine as 1 feet-pound, it features a dual-range scale of 10 to 160 FT-LB, 10, 2, and 27 nm to handle a variety of tasks. Every set comes complete with a calibration certificate bearing a unique, traceable serial number, ensuring quality and confidence every time. Built with a C-Armo ratchet head and enhanced by an electro-finish treatment, this tool easily exceeds ANSI and ASME standards. Enjoy the satisfying click or subtle handle feedback when you reach your preset torque, eliminating guesswork and ensuring secure, reliable fastenings. Its reversible 72-tooth ratchet head supports dual-direction use, while the quick-release button simplifies socket swaps. An anti-slip handle adds extra comfort and control, making it ideal for car, truck, and motorcycle repairs, or as a thoughtful gift for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. With our high-performance 1/2-inch drive torque wrench set a perfect blend of precision and durability. Pre-calibrated to 3% with micro-adjustments as fine as 1 feet-pound, it features a dual-range scale of 10 to 160 ft-lb, 10 to 27 mm to handle a variety of tasks. Every set comes complete with a calibration certificate bearing a unique, traceable serial number, ensuring quality and confidence every time. Built with a C-armo ratchet head and enhanced by an electro-finish treatment, this tool easily exceeds ANSI and ASME standards. Enjoy the satisfying click or subtle handle feedback when you reach your preset torque, eliminating guesswork and ensuring secure, reliable fastenings. Its reversible 72-tooth ratchet head supports dual-direction use, while the quick-release button simplifies socket swaps. An anti-slip handle adds extra comfort and control, making it ideal for car, truck, and motorcycle repairs, or as a thoughtful gift for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. Your new favorite lifting companion, an innovative tool built for heavy-duty tasks. Crafted from 45 solid steel with a thick, stable base, this device guarantees impressive load-bearing performance without any wobble. Unlike standard models, the X-Clife's ceramic tile elevator boasts a wider lifting range, a secure 3-claw base, and an extended service life. The energy-saving arm is both lightweight and compact, so you can easily transport it while it handles heavy loads effortlessly, allowing one person to do the work of two. Simply position the height adjuster beneath the cabinet and experience smooth, resistance-free lifting and lowering. But this manual jack isn't just for lifting. It also doubles as a woodworking fixture to clamp plates or beams securely. With 2 arm jacks, you can lift up to 420 pounds to heights of 0 to 9.8 inches. Its ergonomic handle and durable stainless steel spring save time and energy, making it the ideal. When you need an extra hand in your toolbox, this versatile elevator is a game changer.